वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। तो आज मैं लेके आई हूँ एक ऐसा वीडियो, एक ऐसा चैलेंज जो मोस्ट ऑफ द गर्ल्स के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इम्पॉसिबल हो जाता है, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग ऑन अ बजट। नाउ यू कैन ओनली इमेजिन गर्ल्स स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग एंड ऑन अ बजट, वो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। स्ट्रीट शॉपिंग जाते हैं, वी गो क्रेजी, यू नो, वी हैव टू बाय एवरीथिंग दैट इज देयर। एंड टुडे आई हैव टेकन अ चैलेंज कि मैं सिर्फ 1.5K यानी कि 1,500 में के बजट में ही शॉपिंग करूंगी। एंड आई वॉन्ट टू ट्राई एंड ब्रिंग एंड बाय मोर many things, like maximum things in budget. So that's what we are up to. Along with me, Siddhi is joining me today. She's shooting right now. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. हाय कर माझ्या ब्लॉगला. इथे 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 बघ, ह्या कॅमेरामध्ये. ऑनेस्टली मेरे को ये चैलेंज से कोई भी उम्मीद नहीं है, बिकॉज 1.5K में क्या ही मिलता है. आई मीन नथिंग एट ऑल. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू बाय. आई हैव नॉट केप्ट एनी प्रॉपर मतलब लिस्ट या ऐसा कुछ कि मुझे सिर्फ टॉप्स ही लेने हैं या फिर मैं कुछ भी ले सकती हूँ. एनीथिंग दैट आई कैन पॉसिबली फिट इन दैट बजट. एंड सिद्धि तो अब भी बोल रही है कि कुछ नहीं आने वाला है इतने से पैसे में. But I'm just thinking कि street shopping is known for its affordability and everything. So we can only see कि हमें क्या मिल सकता है इतने का प्राइस में.
अच्छा इधर देख लो ना मैडम.
एक ही सब्जी सब कुछ है. 7, 8 सब
ये ऐसे छुपा रहे हैं.
45 है तो मैं इसको 300 पे दे रहा हूं.
तो ये डिस्काउंट भी देते हैं.
हेलो
दे दिया मैं.
दे दिया. guys, we are back from Bandra. हम लोग कल ही वापस आ गए थे. This is the next day that I'm shooting. So I must say that Bandra has changed a lot. I mean, when I used to go back in my college days, तब everything used to start at 100 and 150, and that's what I was hoping for because I had not. That's Ridhan. Because I had not shopped from Hill Road from past, I guess, 7 to 8 years. Back when I was in college, I used to buy clothing from there. So now I was expecting that they must be selling it 100 and 150 again, and I might get 8 to 9 clothing in the same price. But no, times have changed, and I got everything from the range of 200. No, 200 is like the cheapest one that I got. You are planning to go to 300 से basically start होता है, and it can go up to like 1,000 bucks, but you can always bargain. So this is the first stop that I got off of Bandra. This is like a velvet clothing, and this is like a basic spaghetti top you can see. So this top came off with its own like pads and all that, but I was not like comfortable wearing that. And from the back it's just like a normal spaghetti, I guess, nothing too fancy. This top I got for 300 rupees, and it was in bottle green color and pink color, baby pink color, and this grey color, and that's Ridhan. So this is the second top that I got. So when you enter Bandra Hill Road, everything is about tie-dye. Everywhere you go, the tie-dye fashion is just on in every nook and corner. So tie-dye, I had to buy one tie-dye, and also I don't own a tie-dye t-shirt. I guess only one. I own one crop top, that's the purple one, but except that I don't own anything. And I wanted to buy this front button detailing wala top since a long time. So I found this one, and I'm obsessed with the color combination. I'm obsessed. I paired it up with this white flare jeans, and I think it's just cute. And can you believe it? This is just for 200 bucks. So guys, this is the second top that I got from Bandra. This I believe is a chicken material. Like the material is known as chicken. You can see it's this way. It has got this bronze button detailing at the front, and this is like crop. My top, this has this rubber detailing, like it's the stretchable material at the back. So this is a cute little frog that I got, and this was, I must say, the most expensive buy out of all the products that I got, and this is for 500 bucks. This denim short casual frock, I bought it in size M, but I think it's still loose for me from everywhere. So I think I'll just add a little belt detailing here because it is just too plain for me, you know what I mean? So I'll add a belt detailing here, and I think it'll be good to go, and also pair it up with white shoes. Yeah, that is the look that I'm going for with this frock. This is the last top that I picked. This is like a crop t-shirt tee, I guess, and this is really very transparent. The cloth is really thin. I am not a fan of this. I don't know if I'm going to wear it outside anywhere because this is the material is really thin and it's transparent also. But I love the color, and I couldn't find anything else at 200, to be honest, and that is why this was the last buy that I did from Bandra, and I had to buy this because I was tired. I was tired walking, and I found nothing for 200 bucks. Also guys, I have shot a very cute makeup look on this look, and अगर आपको देखना है तो please stay tuned on my channel. वो जल्द ही video आ रहा है, so you can see how I created this look. So guys, that was a little Bandra experience, street shopping experience, and a little bit of haul for you guys. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also comment on this video. Do let me know if you like such videos, and at the end, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, फिर मिलेंगे.